Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase mobile optimization with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase mobile optimization with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section. Select the themes option. Choose the theme you are currently using. Click on the Customize button. In the theme editor, switch to the mobile view by selecting the mobile icon. Review the layout to ensure all elements are easily accessible. Adjust text sizes to ensure readability on smaller screens. Make sure images are optimized and load quickly. Use high-quality images that are adjustable for mobile displays. Ensure buttons are large enough for easy tapping. Check that your navigation is streamlined for mobile users. Consider removing non-essential items from mobile view to enhance speed. Under the Settings tab, go to Checkout. Ensure your checkout process is simplified for mobile. Use autofill for forms to ease the user experience. Enable a responsive design within your theme settings. Test page loading speeds using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Address any issues by minimizing the use of large files and unnecessary scripts. Optimize your Shopify images using Shopify's built-in image optimizer. Utilize the mobile-first indexing by ensuring your mobile site contains all essential content. Check that your calls to action are prominent and easy to click. Review your product pages to ensure they load properly on mobile devices. Consider implementing AMP, accelerated mobile pages, technology if suitable for your store. Use Shopify apps that focus on mobile optimization. Preview your site on multiple devices and screen sizes. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing and user feedback. Finally, continuously monitor your site's performance and make adjustments as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.